The recording date of this video is June 25th. Exactly 26 days ago, I recorded this video. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Cousins for Life. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. That's right. I got one, guys. Let's unbox it. So, we started off with this little tab, and I got the Mario Kart World bundle too, so we get this out. Oh, dang. Get the Joy-Con grip. Everything else is under there. Dock. Charging cable. And then this is all the good stuff. Got one Joy-Con. Another Joy-Con. Straps. And then the Switch itself. This thing is so
massive. And do you know what else is massive?
Alright. Let's get the second Joy-Con unboxed. It's a nice plastic feel. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Whoa. Okay. Let's boot it on for the first time. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. So I'm setting it up right now. I will get back to you guys when I'm done. I just want to say, these Joy-Cons feel so comfortable compared to my Switch. I've got my Switch right here. Oh my gosh. This thing is so small compared to the Switch. Side-by-side comparison. It is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Alright, I'll get back to you guys right when I'm done. And over the course of 26 days, I played my Nintendo Switch. I played Mario Kart. I went to North Carolina. I bought a Switch case, screen protector, and downloaded a whole bunch of different games. And now, after 26 days, I'm going to show you and tell you what it has been like to play with the brand new Switch 2.
This is my Switch 2, my fast and gaming-oriented console with a vast array of games to explore. As of this video, my current Switch 2 games include Mario Kart World, Nintendo Switch 2 Welcome Tour, and a pre-order for the Switch 2 version of Mario Party Jamboree. This console is quite impressive, featuring 128 GB of memory, a 7.9-inch 1080p screen, and a crazy price point of $500 US. I'm excited about creating more Switch 2 videos in the future, and I'd greatly appreciate your support. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below with suggestions for the next videos. See you next time at Cousins for Life.